Hello friends, in last lecture we have seen some examples on a graph theory. In today's lecture I will cover one example on a graph theory which have these complex elements like inductance, capacitance. Okay, so let's see how to consider these elements while solving the example. So you can see the example, and it has been asked to find out equation in matrix from using KVL to find equilibrium equation in matrix form using KVL. So we have seen while solving KVL we have to consider the formula B ZB BT into IL, okay, equal to BVS minus BZBIS. We have already solved one example based on this formula. So here we know that B is a triset matrix, ZB is an impedance matrix, BT is a transpose of triset matrix, IL is a loop matrix. Again Vs is a matrix of all voltage sources, Is is a matrix of all current sources. In previous example we saw that Is was not present, so this whole terms becomes 0, but here this is not the case. We are having current source also, so we will have to take this in also picture. Let's find out first triset matrix B. Okay, so before that I will draw a tree for this particular graph. Node 1, node 2, node 3 and reference node. So node 1, node 2, node 3, reference node. Okay, now for this particular branch I will show one link like this, and current source will get open circuited, so will not show any link over here. We'll consider the directions. This is node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, branch 1, branch 2, then branch 3, branch 4, branch 5 and branch 6. Okay, we have to consider the current source, but how to consider I will tell you later. In tree definitely we have to not consider current source. Now while writing triset matrix, okay, we will select a tree for this particular graph. So I will draw tree over here. Tree will be like this. I will select simple T. This is a tree. Now I will place all link on it. Instead one by one I am placing all at a time. Branch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with directions like this. Okay, now easily we can write down a triset matrix B. I will directly write down triset matrix for these three links with branches total 6. Even I can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For reference I am writing, actually no need to write it. Okay, so for particular link 1, this is a triset. 4, 6 and 1, 3 elements are present and all are coinciding, means link direction is a positive directions. Okay, and link direction is clockwise, and 4 and 5, 6 are coinciding, so all will be positive. 1, 4 and 6, so 1, 4 and 6, remaining are 0. Okay, similarly for link number 2 we can see this clockwise again positive, but 6 is against it, 5 is coincide, so 2 and 5 positive, 6 is negative, remaining 0. Okay, for this also we can see link direction clockwise and both are opposite to each our link direction, so 4 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 3, 1, remaining 0. Okay, this is how we got a triset matrix. Now let's start solving, but before that we'll write ZB. and we'll write ZB directly in the equation. For first part is a BZB.